Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 3987. This shape runs from the 6-month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the radiator grille in chrome XLT type, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, has a chrome power door mirror left hand side, left front door has one small dent, left rear door also has a small dent. Chrome side steps factory, supplied as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. We have the right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, just missing the light lens, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke steering wheel in leather with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.